Hi friends, welcome to SAS Passion. This video I like to share with you all about my travel diaries. We started our journey from Dubai to RAFISAH town. Almost 1.5 hour time taken reach here. This is the entrance of dam. View from the top. It's around 5 o'clock. This is Greek kayak. It's paid one. You will get two kayaks there. One for 30 dirhams and another for 45 dirhams. View from kayak. There you can see a crowd. People were enjoying a small waterfalls and some swans nearby. It's summer, but the climate is good. If you like to visit during summer, try to reach here after 4. Then you can see a beautiful sunset and you can enjoy too. For water and foods, you'll get grocery and restaurants. And for kids, you can see play areas. Swans and the little waterfalls. There you can see a parking areas. Make sure your car is parked properly. This is near the rest area. It's very beautiful. You'll definitely like it. But I have not enough time to take all the pics. I really enjoyed. It's time to go back. And that's it about RAFISAH. Hope you liked and enjoyed. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.